welcome to Mitsubishi. My name's Josh and today we're doing a walk around video of this 2017 Mitsubishi Outlander LS. Now I do apologize, it is a little bit wet because it has just stopped raining. However, still really pretty easy to see how good the actual condition of this vehicle is. Now starting from that front end, these 2017 models did get that iconic diamond shield look. Sorry, the dynamic shield look on the front end. The Mitsubishi badging, the chrome front grille and the black grille with the chrome surrounds do present in incredible condition, and they do add a whole lot to that front end, especially with the grey paintwork. Now in terms of paintwork at the front end, it is probably a little bit hard to see, but the condition's pretty much spot on, so very well looked after. You do get nice sharp headlights in this model with the daytime running lamp that runs through them, giving it more elegance and helps you be seen on the road as well. Down the bottom you have also got the fog lights with the chrome surrounds for them. Now the alloy wheels on this vehicle, they are a beautiful design. The multi-spoke chrome look with the gunmetal grey interior and still plenty of tread in the tyres. That wheel does present in exceptional condition. Along the side of the vehicle, paintwork does present really well. If I am being picky, there is one little stone chip on the side there, which we have gone through the effort to touch up for you, but nothing really too concerning. You have got KLMS side mirrors and door handles. Now, it is keyless entry, so when you press the button on the door to lock your vehicle, your mirrors fold in, and when you unlock it again, your mirrors fold back out. Now, having a look on the inside, considering the very low kilometers on this vehicle, these seats do present like new, so great condition on those bolsters. There is some slight staining on it, but nothing really too concerning there. The door cards, the door trims and scuff guards all in great condition, and even where people tend to get lazy and kick the door open, there's no marks on that door at all. Now the back windows do have privacy glass, which is a dyed glass. There's no actual window tint on them, so you'll notice they are a little bit darker than the front. What we'd highly recommend is take advantage of our premium window tint that we offer here at Mitsubishi. It will give you the added benefits of the UV protection and the safety aspects of the tint as well. That next wheel, once again, completely unmarked and great tread in those tires as well. Now making our way along to the back of the vehicle, you do get nice LED taillights in this model as well. Up the top you have got the rear parking set, the rear stop light, and brake light and your rear wiper. Down the bottom you have also got your KLMS parking sensors. Now opening up the tailgate, we'll have a quick look in the back. So carpet mats, so you do get a full set of genuine carpet mats in the back. We've also got the cargo blind in there, and the great thing about these back seats is they do fold completely flat, so if you did want to actually store anything in the back, you have got a clean 50-50 split here, so you can have one person plus storage. Now if the camera just stays there for a second, I'm just going to show you how awesome it is to actually create space for the next row as well. I'll show you how to do this in a second, but for now, as you can see, the middle row also folds completely flat, so it is awesome for creating more space and storing things in the vehicle. Coming around the passenger side now, this side, while I close the tailgate, does also present in great condition. So fuel filler cap is on the passenger side, being the safe side, and condition wise it is once again pretty much spot on. That next wheel, it is the side that gets parked next to the curb, so there are a couple of very slight rashes, but nothing too major at all, especially considering the age of the vehicle. Now on the inside, I'm just going to show you how to actually use these back seats. So step one to actually fold your seats down is pull this up from the front. Nothing too complicated there, just pull the seat up and it'll come up. Step two, flick that forward, and step three is drop your seat down. So very easy to use. Pushing that back up and putting this back into place once again is also very easy. Keep making our way along the paintwork. Now even though the vehicle is wet, pretty much presents in new condition. There is maybe one or two very slight touch-ups that we have done to the vehicle, but nothing major at all, and the car does present in great condition. That next and final wheel, the one that you quite often see the most amount of scratches on, is also in exceptional condition, so really only one wheel with any kind of marking on it. So that's always good to see in a used vehicle, and being an Outlander, you know you are getting the reliability. Paintwork's in great condition, so please do speak to us about how we can actually offer you a lifetime warranty on that paintwork. Now what we're going to do is pop the bonnet and have a look at the engine. Okay guys, taking a look under the bonnet now, what we have is Mitsubishi's iconic Myvec engine It is a beautiful engine, very, very well designed, very reliable, and cheap on maintenance as well. And guys, the stats of this engine: it is a 4-cylinder 2.4 litre petrol engine with a 6-speed automatic gearbox, making the car absolutely incredible to drive. ANCAP safety rating is 5 stars with an airbag with 7 airbags, and power output from the engine is 124 kilowatts with a torque rating of 220 newton meters. Now, where this vehicle really stands out for an SUV, you do get awesome fuel stats. So 63 liters of 91 is what it'll take to fill this car up. The combined fuel consumption is about 7.2 liters per 100, which is once again awesome stats in an SUV. And the average fuel distance, depending on your driving style, is about 875 kilometers from a full tank. Taking a look inside the Outlander now, on the driver's side door you do get your power window controls. Front driver's side is automatic up and down. Above that you've got your central locking buttons, your window lock, and the toggle for your power mirrors. On the right hand side of the steering wheel here, you've got your forward collision mitigation and lane departure warning, as well as your parking sonars. Now, if you want more information on Mitsubishi's MyVec safety systems like these, please do ask us about it, because we will go into detail, tell you everything you need to know about them. On the right hand side here you've got your headlight adjuster, so if you want to change the angle of the headlights, you have got the option. You've also got your stability control and your menu control for the display between the clusters. On the right hand stalk here you've got your fog light controls, but you've also got your dusk sensing headlights and automatic high beams. On the right hand side here you have got your washers as well as your rain sensing wipers. Now, the steering wheel you get in the LS models is very nicely leather wrapped, and that steering wheel is actually in great condition. On the right hand side here you've got all your cruise control and your adaptive cruise control settings, so you can set the distance your car will follow the car in front of you. You've got the media and hands-free controls on the left hand side. Now, taking a look in the center display, I'm just going to pop it in reverse and show you. You do get a very nice reverse camera there with the rear bar and that camera too. So if you are backing up to something, you have got the assistance of the camera, but also the parking sensors. Now, in terms of media, you have got AM and FM radio. You've also got digital radio, but the great thing is you get Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so it uses Google Maps off your phone for navigation. It will also bring up all your contacts and your call logs, and pretty much personalize your vehicle to you. Down the bottom here you've got dual zone climate control, so passenger and driver can both set their own temperatures. Down the bottom here again you've got a 12-volt socket, a slot where if your key battery does die you can slide your key in there and still start your vehicle, plus a few blank buttons if you wanted to add anything extra. Now, the cup holders in this model do tuck away quite neatly, so that cover there does hide 2 cup holders, and that leather wrap shifter is also once again in great condition. Got a hard handbrake, and that center console there, when you open it up there is a tray on top, but under here you've got 2 USB ports and a 12-volt socket as well. Panning around the interior, you will notice that the vehicle is actually in awesome condition, so very, very well looked after on the inside and the out. So kudos to the previous owner for how well they have actually kept this car. Thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch the walk around video of this beautiful Outlander. As you can see, it is very, very well looked after and very well presented. So well done to the previous owner, and guys, please ask us how we can actually offer you a lifetime warranty on your paintwork. It's very important to keep your car looking good, and I'm sure if you are buying a car in this kind of condition, you're going to want to anyway. Now, we can package up our glass coat with the window tint for you as well if you wanted to get the added benefits of the tint. The other thing I would highly recommend is ask us about the premium mechanical protection plan. Although this is still covered under the remainder of new car warranty, that mechanical protection plan will give you another 5 years on top of your existing new car warranty of cover on 181 electrical and mechanical components of the vehicle. You also get up to 10 years of platinum roadside assistance, unlimited claims, and $3,600 per claim is what we will cover you for. So it is awesome value and a great way to know that your car is going to be protected for as long as you own it. If you have any questions at all, please do not hesitate to contact us. But before I go, you need to look at our Google reviews as well, because we are sitting on 4.8 stars with over 1,100 reviews from customers all over the country. And when you read those reviews, you will know exactly why. We like to look after our customers, make sure that you are having a great experience from start to finish, and we're going to get you into your new car, make you comfortable. And guys, If you are using our in-house finance, Julie or Mario, our business managers, would love to have a chat to you and tailor something to suit your needs, make your repayments work, make them comfortable for you, and once again, get all those protective options into a payment plan that works for you. So if you have any questions at all, the number to dial is 99070555. My name is Josh, and thank you so much for watching.